Hello, namaste, good evening, people online. Hello. Hello, people
Good
online.
evening, sir.
Good evening. Am I audible?
Good evening, sir.
Very good.
Yes,
Namaste.
sir.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Namaste. Very good evening. Hello. Please enable your videos, people online. Please enable your videos. There is a user by username dot Chukki. Please change your username. Please change your username. There is a user by username Chukki. Nimma username change ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Fine. Yeah, here we go. We were solving numericals from NCERT. Is that correct? Hello, people. We were solving numericals from NCERT. Howda alvo?
Yes.
Yes. We will continue solving the same. Please just give me an update on how many numericals did we solve the other day. ಎಷ್ಟು ನ್ಯೂಮರಿಕಲ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಯಾವ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ತನಕ ಆಯ್ತು, ಯಾವ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ತನಕ ಆಯ್ತು? ಹಲೋ, I guess we have completed till question number ಇದು ಯಾವುದು, judge equivalent resistance when following are connected in parallel. ಅದಾಯ್ತು ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಹೌದಾ? ಹಲೋ, did we complete that? Did we complete that question? Complete ಮಾಡೋದಾ ನೋಡಿ. ಹಲೋ, ಲೇ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ಸ್ ಓದಕ್ ಶುರು ಮಾಡಬಹುದಾ? ಪೇಜ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿ? ಪೇಜ್ ನಂಬರ್
160.
ಓಕೆ, ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಪೇಜ್ ನಂಬರ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಸಿಟಿ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ಸ್ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ. ಚಂದನ, ವಿಲ್ ಯು ರೀಡ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್? ಚಂದನ.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Chandan.
An electric lamp of 100 ohm, a toaster of resistance 50 ohm, and a water filter of resistance 500 ohm are connected in parallel to 220 volt source. What is the resistance of the electric iron connected to the same source that takes a much current as all three appliances? And what is the current through it?
Fine. Thank you, Chandana. Thank you very much.
Welcome, sir.
Next ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಈ ತರ ಇದೆ. ಚಂದನ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಓದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಪ್ ಆಫ್ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ 100 ಓಮ್ ಅಂತ ನಾನು RL is equal to 100 ಓಮ್ ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೀನಿ. RL equals 100 ಓಮ್. ಏನು RL ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಪ್ 100 ಓಮ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು, ಟೋಸ್ಟರ್ ಆಫ್ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ 50 ಓಮ್. ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೋಸ್ಟರ್ 50 ಓಮ್ ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೀನಿ. Then water filter of resistance 500 ohm. Resistance of filter 500 ohm. Adamala are connected in parallel to 220 volt source. 220 volt. Then whenever we connect appliances in parallel, potential drop remains the same. Howda? Howda alvo? Whenever appliances are connected in parallel, potential drop across each appliance remains the same. Since what was RL? RL ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Lamp. Since lamp, toaster, lamp, toaster and filter. Lamp, toaster and filter are in parallel. Lamp, toaster and filter are in parallel. Potential drop across them remains same. Potential drop across them remains same. Potential drop across them remains same. ಹೌದಾ? Yes. ಈಗ ಏನ್ ಬೇಕಂತೆ? What is resistance of an electric iron? resistance of electric iron ಬೇಕು. Resistance of electric iron. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನಂತೆ connected to the same source that takes as much as current as 3 appliances. Okay. ಈಗ see parallel connect ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ, takes current as much as 3 appliances. Fine. ಈಗ to begin with ಇದನ್ನ ಹೇಗೆ ಪಿಕ್ಚರೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು? How can I picturize this? ಇದು ಮೂರು ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಇದೆ. ಒಂದು ಸಣ್ಣ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಯಾವುದು? ಲ್ಯಾಂಪ್ ದ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ RL ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟೋಸ್ಟರ್ the resistance RT value I have written. Filter the resistance RF value I have written. All these are connected to same source. All these are connected to 220 volt supply. Okay. ಇಲ್ಲಿ main current ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಇದು I. ಈ I ನಾವು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು. ಹೌದಾ? Yes. First find effective resistance. ಯಾವ್ದ್ರದ್ದು? ಈ ಮೂರದ್ದು. ಹೇಗಿದೆ? Parallel. 1 by Rp is equal to 1 by R effective is equal to 1 by 100 plus 1 by 50 plus 1 by 500. Beg R effective ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಿರಿ. ಬೇಗ R effective ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಿರಿ. And please enable your videos. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಡಿಸೇಬಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ನೋ ಯೂಸ್. Videos are to be enabled, please. Videos enable ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಕುಮುದ, ಆದರ್ಶ್ ರಾಮ್, ಲಿಖಿತಾ, ಸಾನಿಕಾ, ಶ್ರೇಯಾ, ಕೃಪಾ, ಸಂಜನಶ್ರೀ, ಶ್ರೀಶಾ, ಜಾಯ್ಸ್, ಕ್ಯಾರೋಲಿನ್, ರಚನಾ ಕೆ, ಆಶ್ರಿತಾ, ಕೀರ್ತನಾ, ವಾಸುದೇವ್ ಶಣಾಯ್, Fida Arshad, J Tarun. Videos are to be enabled, please. Videos are to be enabled, please. There you go. Now please find this. Resistance parallel. Second the 1 by R effective is equal to 100 into 50 into 500. And you can adopt any method. I want resistance and parallel step. ಯಾವ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಬೇಕಿರೋ ಅಡಾಪ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಬೇಕು. ಫೈನ್. ಯಾ. ಸೊ ಇದೇನಾಯ್ತಿದು? ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ 500 into 50. 500 into 50 plus 100 into 500, 100 into 500 plus 100 into 50, 100 into 50. And some portion of the board glare ಆಗ್ತಿರಬಹುದು ಇವತ್ತು, because ಇಲ್ಲಿ UPS drain ಆಗಿದೆ. As of now power ಇಲ್ಲ. There is some maintenance activity going on this electricity board. So ಇದೊಂದು portion ಒಂಚೂರು glare ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. Excuse me for that. But it is simple calculation. You can do it easily. If I close that window, ಏನು ಕಾಣೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ. But video enable ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. See, I'm so kind. I'm explaining all these things. But ನೀವುಗಳ video off ಮಾಡಿ ಸ್ಟೈಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೂತಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಲ್ಲಿ video on ಮಾಡಿ. Should I come to your house, is it, to give you an information to enable your videos? Okay, 500 into 50, 25 3 zeros plus 5. Okay, I'll do one thing. 25 3 zeros plus 5 4 zeros plus 5 3 zeros divided by, this is 5 5s are 25 into 10 to the power of 1 2 3 4 5 zeros. 25 10 to the power of 5 zeros. This is 1 by R effective. I have to add all these things. This is 50,000, 25,000. 50,000 plus 25,000, 75,000. 75,000 plus 5,000, 80,000. So this is 80,000 divided by 25 into 10 to the power of 5. 4 zeros and the 4 cancel out, I am left with 10 power 1. So it is 250. This is 8 and this is 250. It is 8 by 250, which is 1 by R effective is 8 by 250. Again, what is R effective equal to? R effective is 250 by 8. 250 by 8.
Sir, it is 31.25.
Sorry?
Sir, the value of R effective is 31.25.
Yeah, exactly. I can erase this portion, right? My top portion erase madlaino. Can I erase this portion? Hope it is yes. Fine. I'll erase this. So 1 by R effective. Again, what is R effective? Hope it is visible. Yes, R effective is 250 divided by 8. Or I divide this by 2, it is 125 divided by 4 ohm. Or it is 31.8 as you said. Are we done with the numerical? Answer is no. We have found effective resistance. Now I have to find current. Ali previous circuit ಬರ್ತಿದೆ ಹೌದಾ? Ali current calculate ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿದೆ. How to find the current? V is equal to I times R effective. What is V? 220. I unknown. R effective 125 divided by 4. Multiply ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಈಗ. Multiply this. So it is 4 into 220 divided by 125 and this is equal to I. Divide this, you will get value of I. I value ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? It should be 7.04 ampere. How? 5 ಇಂದ divide ಮಾಡಿ. 5 25 5 4s are 20, 5 4s are 20. 44 into 4, 4 4s are 16, 6 carry 1. 4 4 is 16 plus 176 divided by 25. 25 5s are 125, 25 6 are 25 7s are 25. 176 176 divided by 25. 176 by 25 7.04 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಉತ್ತರ. 7.04 ampere. ಉತ್ತರ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತಿದೆ? 7.04 ampere. Is this final answer? No, ಇದು final answer ಅಲ್ಲ. ಇದು final answer ಅಲ್ಲ. Hope you have solved this. Hope you got this value. ಈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸಿಕ್ತಾ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಎನೇಬಲ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸಿಕ್ತಾ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಡಿಡ್ ಯು ಗೆಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ? ಈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸಿಕ್ತಾ? Yes, but this is not your answer. ಈಗ ಏನ್ ಬೇಕಂತ? Resistance of the iron. ಈಗ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಐರನ್ press box, iron, electric iron is also connected to same voltage source. Again, V iron is also 220. Yenido supply voltage. It is supply voltage. Supply voltage is 220. Adar next I value across electric iron. Adu gottu. ಎಷ್ಟು ಇರ್ತದೆ? 7.04 ampere. ಹೌದಾ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ವಾಟ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್? ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ R iron is question mark. V iron is equal to I iron into R iron. V is equal to IR. ಬೇಗ ಪ್ಲಗ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಕೆಲಸ. Hope you have completed. Hope you are done. I gave some time to solve. ನೀವು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ನೀವು ಕಾಯೋದಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ. ಈಗ ಏನಾಯ್ತಿದೆ? V 220. I ಗೊತ್ತು. I ಸಿ ಒಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. I use brains ನೋಡಿ. ಇದೇ ತರ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್. I ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 7.04 ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬಂತು? Because I have plugged V value as 220, I value 7.04. Okay, ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ 7.04 ಬರೀತೀವಿ. But 7.04 ಬರೆದ್ರೆ observe, it is difficult for me to calculate. Calculate ಮಾಡೋದು ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 7.04 ಬರೆದ್ರೆ y ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿನೇ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. Yeah, okay. 7.0 ನಾನು ಈ ತರ ನಿಂತೀನಿ. 7.04 ಬರೆದ್ರೆ it is difficult for you to calculate. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ what is that we have to do? ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತೆ? ನಾನು instead of writing this decimals, I'll write 176 by 25. Mariboda? Yes. 176 by 25 into R iron. Is that correct? Do you agree with this? Yes. Hagidre, what is R iron equal to? 25 into 220 divided by 176. Sorry, 25 into 220 divided by 176 ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? It is 125 divided by 4 ohm. What is resistance of iron? 125 by 4 ohm. ಇದು final conclusion. Is that clear? Please make a note of this bega fast. Make a note of this fast, quick. Then, हो गया? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Aita, Bardra? Yes. Okay. So we have completed that question. Super. Next question. Adarsh Ram VK. Next question ಓದ್ಬೇಕು. Adarsh Ram VK. Adarsh Ram VK. Adarsh Ram VK. Adarsh Ram. Abhinaya. 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 Ashrita. Ashrita. Miss Ashrita. Diksha VK.
Sir, what are the
Will you please read next question?
what
Ashrita, very good. Ashrita, next question odi Ashrita.
what are the advantages of connecting electrical device in parallel with the battery instead of connecting them in series?
Yeah. So what? Thank you, Ashrita. What are the advantages of with the battery instead of connecting them in series? How that? Instead of connecting them in series. Barkodi. When devices are connected in series, when number of devices are connected in series, when number of devices are connected in series, potential drop across each device, potential drop across each device will be different. Potential drop across each device will be different. Potential drop across each device will be different. Full stop. Potential drop across each device is different. Full stop. Also, if one device, also if one of the devices, if one of the devices out of so many in the combination, also if one of the devices out of so many in the combination stops functioning, one of the devices out of so many in the combination stops functioning, the other devices in the circuit will not receive, other devices in the circuit will not receive electric current, will not receive electric current. Will stop. will not receive electric current, full stop. Whereas when devices are connected in parallel, electric current to each, electric current alla, electric potential difference, I'm sorry for that, electric potential difference to each device will remain the same. Electric potential difference to each device will remain the same. Electric potential difference to each device will remain the same. Full stop. So we are done with this question. Shall we go to the next question? Hello. Aita, done with that?
Yes.
Hello. Yes. Yes, sir. Fine. Next question. Who will read next question? As per the order, Yaro Agashrita Odidalva. Okay. Diksha VK. Am I audible, Diksha?
Yes, sir.
Please
Yes, sir.
read next question,
How
Diksha.
can three registers of resistance 2 ohm, 3 ohm, and 6 ohm be connected to give a total resistance of A 4 ohm and B 1 ohm?
Super. Thank you, Diksha. Thanks on that. Welcome. No issues, no mention, and then. Okay, fine. How can three resistors? See, more resistors in there. Resistance 2 ohm, 3 ohm, 6 ohm. More resistors in there. 2 ohm. I'll say R1 is 2 ohm, R2 is 3 ohm, R3 is 6 ohm. R1 2, R2 3, R3 6 ohm are connected somehow to give a total resistance of 4 ohm. See, they are connected in some combination to give total resistance of 4 ohm. Hey, connect model 4 ohm sigutte is the question. Can I connect all three in series? No. Why? See, if you connect all resistors in series, we have discussed this while discussing about series combination of resistors. Whenever three resistors are connected in series, their effective resistance will always be greater than greatest in the combination. Again, I repeat, when all resistors are connected in series, their effective resistance will be greater than greatest in the combination. Andre, you know, 2, 3, 6 series al connect madidre, adar effective resistance 6 ginta jaasti irutte. 6 ginta jaasti irutte ante ruled out. This cannot be our answer. Is that clear? Is that clear? Yes. How should I connect resistor? How should I connect? Next, connect all of them in parallel. connect all these resistors in parallel. Adu agalla. Yake? When all resistors are connected in parallel, their effective resistance is lesser than the least. When all resistors are in parallel, their effective resistance is lesser than the least. Lesser than the least andrena. Their answer is less than 2 ohm. If final answer is less than 2 ohm, then again it's of no use to us. Now we should go with combination, trial and error method. See, what I'll do is first I'll place R1 in series. To this I'll connect R2 and R3 in parallel. R1 na series alli retype ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. R2 ಮತ್ತೆ R3 na parallel connect ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. R2 R3 are in parallel. Is effective resistance parallel alidre, if they are in parallel, R2 into R3 divided by R2 plus R3. What is R2 into R3? 3 into 6. What is R2 plus R3? 3 plus 6. 6 3 is 18. 9. So answer is 2. Is that clear? 18 by 9, 2. Is that clear? Hello? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Is this your answer? No. I have just simplified, or I have just calculated effective resistance of these two. Idu namma target alla. Namma target find total resistance of the combination. Adike ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದು? This is R1, this is R23. R1 ಮತ್ತೆ R23. R1 value is 2 ohm. R23 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ ಇತ್ತಲ್ವಾ R23. It is 2 ohm. How are these two connected? Series. If two resistors are in series, effective resistance formula R1 plus R23. R1 value 2, R23 value 2. Answer is 4 ohm. Is that clear? Is that clear? The answer is 4 ohm.
Yes, sir.
Sharthaita, people online. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Again, did we achieve the target? Yes. Please write this. In words all very well. How will you explain? What is your explanation? Connect R2 and R3 in parallel. Connect R2 and R3 in parallel. To this combination, connect R1 in series. Or you can say connect 3 ohm and 6 ohm in parallel. To this combination, connect 2 ohm in series. Shall I go to next question? Next question. There is another question, sub question. In sub question, I want effective resistance 1 ohm. Just now we came to a conclusion. If three resistors are in parallel, their effective resistance is lesser than the least. How that? If three are in parallel, effective resistance is lesser than the least. Again, I can easily go ahead with that. Again, connect all three in parallel. Connect all the resistors in parallel. R1. Now, all three in parallel. I can use this formula. 1 by RT is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. 1 by RT, 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R. Plug my values, answers fast.
1 ohm, sir.
1 ohm, super, very 1 ohm. Again, what is your conclusion? Correct all three in parallel. Aita, did you write it in words? Yeah. Next question. Who is next in the queue? Okay, now ulta varana ika. Vishwas. Vishwas PK. Next question, Vada. Yar Vishwas PK.
How can
Mr.
three
Vishwas.
resistors of resistance 2 ohm, 3 ohm, and 6 ohm be connected to give a
No,
total
Punyatma. Adaito. Lo, Punyatma. Adaito. ಈಗ ಇಷ್ಟೊತ್ತು ಅದೇ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಬರೆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಹೌ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ 3 ohm ಕನೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಇನ್ ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಲ್ ಅಂತ ಓದ್ತೀಯ ಅಲ್ವಾ ನಾವು ಯಾವ ಲೋಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆಯೋ ಅಣ್ಣ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಓದೋ ಹೀರೋ
What is A, the highest, B, the lowest total resistance that can be secured by combinations of 4 coils of resistance, 4 ohm, 8 ohm, 12 ohm, 24 ohm.
Super, thank you. That was so fast, quick, super, energetic. Thank you. Welcome, Hira. Very good. So sweet of you. Love you. What is highest that can be achieved, lowest that can be achieved? Very we know that. We know that. Maximum resistance is achieved when we know that maximum resistance is achieved when resistors are connected in series. Maximum resistance is achieved when resistors are connected in series. Maximum resistance is achieved when resistors are connected in series. Resistors are connected in series. Next. ಈಗ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಯಾವುದು 4 8 12 24 ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಏನು 4 8 12 24 RS is equal to 4 8 12 24 add ಮಾಡಿ 12 plus 8 20 20 plus 24 44 44 plus 4 48 ohms. ಇದೆನಿದು RS. Also maximum resistance. Maximum resistance. ಹೌದಾ? Next, minimum resistance. ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Minimum resistance ಯಾವಾಗ? When you connect them in parallel. 1 by RT, 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8 plus 1 by 12 plus 1 by 24. This is 24 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ LCM. ಹೌದಾ? ಹೆಂಗೆ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯೋದು? I guess you know that. ಹೇಗೆ? 4, 8, 12, 24. 4 1s are, 2s are, 3s are, 4 6s are. Next, 2 1s are, 3 3. Next, 3 1 1 1. 3 2s are 6 6 4s are 24. ಹೌದಾ? ಈಗ LCM ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯೋದು or highest number ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆಯೋ if it is divisible, I mean ಎಲ್ಲ numbers divide ಆಗಬೇಕಾಗಿದ್ರೆ, so 6 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1, 6 plus 3 9 11 12 by 24. What is 12 by 24? 1 by 2. 1 by RP is 1 by 2. And what is RP? 2 by 1 2. ಇದು minimum resistance. ನೆನಪಿರ್ಲಿ, ಇದು maximum resistance ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇದು minimum resistance. This is minimum resistance. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
हो गया? आयता? Done? हो गया? आयता? Waiting for a response. हो गया? Done? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay, nice. Thank you. Next question. Yaro, the next question as per the Vasudev Shanai. Vasudev Shanai. Next question, Vasudev. Vasudev Shanai. Vasudev Shanai. Next question. Kelista Jana, Mr. Vasudev Shanai. Shreyas BS. Shreyas BS. Shreyas BS.
Yes, sir.
Next question, please. Next question, what the Shreyas?
Why does the cord of an electric heater not glow while the heating element does?
Exactly. Super. Thank you, Shreyas. Thank you very much. Cord andre wire. Heater connect ಮಾಡಿರೋ wire. Heater connect ಮಾಡಿರೋ wire glow ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Heater connect ಮಾಡಿರೋ wire glow ಆಗಲ್ಲ, but heater coil glow ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕೆ? Heater coil glow ಆಗಲ್ಲ, I mean wire glow ಆಗಲ್ಲ, but heater glow ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕೆ is the question. Is that clear? Question ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ?
Yes, sir.
Yes. See, heater coil has large resistance. Heater coil has large resistance. ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Coil of a heater has large resistance. Coil of a heater has large resistance and when current passes through it, for a small interval of time, and when current passes through it for a small interval of time, when current passes through it for a small interval of time. Hello? People, am I audible? Yeah. When current passes through it for a small interval of time, a large amount of heat is generated. A large amount of heat is generated. A large amount of heat is generated. Large amount of heat is generated. Stop. It is governed by the relation. It is governed by the relation H equals I square RT. It is governed by the relation H equals I square RT. Governed by the relation H equals I square RT. Full stop. Full stop. Whereas the cord connected to the heater, has small value of resistance, has a small value of resistance, and hence when current passes through it, heat generated will not be too large. Heat generated will not be too large. Heat generated will not be too large. Full stop. Hence, it does not glow. Hence, it does not glow. GLOW. Hence, it does not glow. What is it there? It andre no? It is the cord, the wire. Wire does not glow at artha. Is that clear? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, boss. Fine. Next question. Who's in the list? Shashank B. Shashank B. B Shashank. B Shashank. Next question, please.
Compute the heat generated while transferring 96,000 coulomb of charge in 1 hour through a potential difference of 50 volts.
Fine. Thank you very much, Shashank. Thank you.
Welcome, sir.
Okay. So I have to find out heat generated. Right on. H equals question mark. Heat generated. H equals question mark. Yavagante. Transferring 96,000 coulombs of charge. Q equals 96,000 coulombs of charge in 1 hour. Time 1 hour. 1 hour is basically 3,600 seconds. Why? Time should be in seconds. Yes, unit of time seconds. Potential difference V 50 volts. Potential difference V 50 volts. Potential difference is 50. With this information, shall we start finding? Okay, how to find heat? Heat calculate magic formula. H is equal to I square RT. The formula is. What is I here? India, is it? Allah. I is electric current. Do we know value of electric current? Electric current value what are we get? electric current value gotta illa,
No, sir.
R value gotta illa, T value gotta gottu. Again, I should get rid of this R, I should get rid of this I. Possibility idea. See, V is equal to IR, or R is equal to V by I. What happens when I write this formula? Can I get rid of this R?
Sir, you have written B only, sir.
Sorry, I'm on.
Nothing, sir.
Okay, fine. R is equal to V by I. V barde by mistake ado. R equals V by I. Iga therefore H equals I square hage baritini. R ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ I write V by I into T. I ಮತ್ತೆ square cancel ಆಗಿದೆ. What am I left with? H is equal to IVT. Again I value ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ. How to find out? I know value of Q.
Q by T.
I is equal to Q by T. Is there a formula idea? Yes. So write Q by T. H is equal to Q by T into V into T. T cancel out. Then it is Q into V. What is Q? 96,000 into 50, or 1, 2, 3, 4. Get on the dance floor. 4 zeros. Sorry, 4 zeros. 6 5s are 30. 0 3 carry. 9 5s are 45 plus 3 48. These many joules of heat energy. How that? These many joules of heat energy flows through. Is that correct? Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we'll solve next question. Bega. Next question. Yarod Beko. Who's in the list? We have Sanika. Sanika. Next question. Sanika. Sanika. Sanika.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
An electric iron of resistance 20 ohm takes a current of 5 A. Calculate the heat developed in 30 seconds.
Okay. Electric iron of resistance 20 ohm. Thank you. Thank you very much, Sanika.
Welcome.
Shall we start? An electric iron of resistance 20 ohm. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀತೀನಿ ಆ question ನ. Resistance 20 ohm. Takes current of 5 ampere. Current of 5 ampere. Calculate heat generated in 30 seconds. 30 seconds. H ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕು. Formula H equals I square RT. H equals I square RT. I 5 square, R 20, T 30. H equals 25 into 2 into 3 into 10 square. Why is it 2 into 3 into 10 square? I have 20, I have 30. So then 2 into 3 10 square. 25 2s are 50. 53s are 150. So H is equal to 150 into 10 square, or I can write 15 into 10 to the power of 3 joules. 15 into 10 to the power of 3 joules. Value of H. ಇದರ ಕಿಲೋ ಜೌಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬರಿಬಹುದು ಬೇಕಿದೆ. Next 22nd, next question. ನಾನೇ ಓದ್ತೀನಿ. What determines rate at which energy is delivered by the current? What determines rate at which energy is delivered by the current? ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Number 1, potential difference across the conductor in volts. Potential difference across the conductor in volts. Potential difference across the conductor in volts and current in amperes. Potential difference across the conductor in volts and current in amperes. Now, we will stop at this point. You have your mathematics session now. We will start this We have another question left. An electric motor takes 5 ampere from 220 volt line. Determine power and energy consumed in 2 hours. ಹೌದಾ ಅದೊಂದು ಬಾಕಿ ಇದೆ. ಅದಾದ ಕೂಡಲೇ it is exercise questions ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. Am I correct? Yeah. We'll do it in tomorrow's session. So see you then. Take care. Bye bye. Love you all. Have fun. Enjoy. See you. Bye. Bye bye.
Okay.